It's the Play-Doh Crazy Cuts playset from Hasbro. The reimagined Play-Doh Crazy Cuts returns with classic barbershop fun. Load your Play-Doh brand modeling compound into one of 3 character thimbles. Slide the character into the barber's chair. Then turn the crank and watch as it grows funky Play-Doh hair. Cut the Play-Doh hair with one of the cutting tools, or use a hair mold to give your character a stylish new do. When you're ready to change characters, turn the crank in a counterclockwise direction until you hear a click. Then slide your character off the chair and display their crazy hairstyle. The Play-Doh Crazy Cuts playset is for kids ages 3 and up and includes 3 character thimbles, 2 book molds, 4 accessory tools, and 6 cans of Play-Doh modeling compound. Adult assembly is required. The Play-Doh Crazy Cuts playset from Hasbro.